4.6 billion years ago. Shortly after the formation of the Sun, our blue home came into existence and have been kept much in peace for many billions of years. Ancient humans thought the Earth and the solar system is eternal, but according to the modern scientific world, our planet also has an end as well. So if our home will end one day, when will it happen and how? This story begins with the Sun, an enormous ball of gas that uses hydrogen gas as its fuel to keep its continuous production of light and heat. Unfortunately, in 5 billion years, the hydrogen gas will become exhausted and the Sun's last phase will begin. When it starts to burn helium, its size will swell up and the Earth will start receiving more heat and light and become hotter and hotter every day. Earth's oceans will slowly start evaporating as all life on Earth vanishes due to the unbearable heat. At some point, the Earth's temperature will exceed the boiling point of water, while the Sun cooks the planet's surface, making it similar to a hot hell like Venus. In 7 billion years, the Sun's expansion will dramatically speed up as it starts swallowing the inner planets. The red giant Sun's radius will reach the Earth's orbit, eventually gobbling up the planet, which results the end of our blue home, once and for all. Finally, after another few million years, the Sun will start collapsing into itself and shed all of its outer layers into outer space, making a spectacular planetary nebula for all our galaxy to see. What remains of our star is a white dwarf with the planet Mars and the other gas giants. Although this end of our blue planet is bound to happen eventually, that time period is very, very far away, and we have an excellent time to observe the stars, learn about our universe, and enough time to visit and explore our universal neighborhood. Thank you.